We're live. You guys miss me? I miss you. Welcome back, KicknGravelers, to the Bitcoin market update. I am Aaron. Today is... What day is it? Does anybody know what day it is? It's December 12th, 2018. Let's dive into the markets. Bitcoin on the one-day chart for Coinbase. Starting to get a little rally here. We got a little green coming up here, but well below our 9-day moving average and so far away from the Kumo cloud. It's kind of ridiculous. It's kind of a bummer right now. Also, too, I was looking at our RSI right here and how it's kind of flirting with wanting to roll over and go back down again. So kind of like when you get back here, it kind of starts to get a little closer, and it wants to roll over, but more like this. Anyway, yeah, I hope that it continues up higher, and we shall see. Also very, very bearish at this point. Let's move on to Litecoin. LTC USD on the one-day chart. Looking a lot like Bitcoin, but we're at $24 here. $24.47. Ouch. Wow. Goodness gracious. That is brutal. That is really brutal. So this on the one-day chart, you can kind of see how we've been progressing. What's interesting about Litecoin is that this trend tended to just continue to go down, whereas the Bitcoin chart, it had a flat bottom here and it broke through support. So these charts are a bit different. Oh, by the way, I'll be going over day charts for most of this stuff, because the flaw in my plan with doing charts before was that I was looking at more of 4-hour trades. And those aren't very helpful to you guys, especially if you're only checking in, once a day. So let's do the day chart. And every day you get a new candle and you get kind of a new outlook, as this whole market kind of evolves. So let's move on here. What do we want to look at? You know what? Let's see what basic attention token, 0x is doing first on the day chart, since we have now enough information. It looks to me as if it's still very bearish. We're just getting enough info. It's totally not a buy yet. BAT doesn't have enough info to trade, so I would definitely keep that out. Zetcoin, not enough info yet, obviously. That was a new addition there to Coinbase. Tron. Okay, so Tron's been doing really well. I've been watching this. Let's give us a little more room here. I've been watching this guy. Here we go. And reset. Perfect. Okay. So I've been watching Tron as it broke through here and just continues to run up. Now, there were a couple times for a couple days where it was pulling back and then it hit this 9-day moving average support and also kind of retested the 50-day moving average and then sprang higher. And now we're above the Kumo cloud, giving us more. It's obviously gone bullish. So this is looking real good. I think it's going to probably run a little higher. I don't have... we're close to sell signals right now, but I think if RSI gives us a nice little turnaround, things would be looking real good. So I like where Tron is sitting. I like where it's at. I'm still in it. I'm not selling it yet. We're going to see where this takes us. We're going to let the market lead and give us a real sell signal before we jump out. Okay, Digibyte. On the one-day chart for Bittrex. Okay, we got a little nice. We had a hard sell-off for almost 2 weeks straight, and now we're getting a bit of a bounce. which is really nice. Much needed. So this could be good. I hope it. If you don't have Digibyte right now, I like what I see here. I wouldn't call it a buy just yet. I'd like to see what happens tomorrow, if we get some more continuation to the upside. But this could be the beginning of a trend upward. All right, Theta. Remember Theta's big pop, right? It did super good, and then we had RSI started working its way down, and now we're below the Kumo cloud. We broke through back here. Let's squish this. Let's open this up a little bit more so you can kind of see what has been happening. When it broke through the Kumo cloud, it continued down. It popped up to kind of go bullish again, but it just, the bears were right there to smack it right back down, and it went back down again. So yeah, I think that I actually think that Theta will probably continue down for a little bit further. Yeah, I don't see any good signs of popping back up just yet. So yeah, Theta still very bearish. Proppy, PRO, very bearish. We've had, well, since the 6th, beginning of November. We're now well into December, so for a month and a half it's been punished. It did give us a super nice run up here, which was fantastic. Got above the Kumo cloud, but then it shied away from being bullish and just went bearish ever since. Here is, let's take a look at this, clean it up a little bit here. This is Populous PPT. Back down again. We're getting signs from RSI to come up higher. It's still not a buy yet. Not a buy in my opinion. Still very bearish. Let's move on to, well, RSI is turning around, so that is nice, but it's got to get above the 9-day moving average. Here's OMG. OMG has been trading in this channel here, this little parallel trend channel. Let me clear that out and reset this and pull it back. Give you a little zoomed in look at this. See how things are. Sometimes it's easier to look at. There you go. Okay, OMG not doing anything. It is still bearish. It tried about a week ago. It tried real hard to get a little bit of a bounce here, but we had zero follow through or continuation. It never even got above that high. So yeah, OMG not looking good. How about Pay? Pay is looking good, guys. Pay on the day chart is still running up. Now we had one day of high volume here. Second day gave us a whole bunch of volume, and the third day is trying to give us continuation. Now we need to close a little higher or close, right? I think we need to close higher. So I'm actually looking at Pay as a possibility to run higher, looking at this day chart. So let's keep an eye on that. I have not sold any Pay yet. I'm still hanging on. I'm looking for a real sell opportunity here on the day chart before I bail. It could mean a lower price. So, but what I'm trying to do is weed out. I'm just trying to go with the trend, right? So if the trend is going down, then I'll sell and go down. I don't want to sell on bullish momentum, because what'll end up happening is if it runs higher, I'll have to buy back in at a higher price, and that is actually worse in my opinion than just staying in it and waiting for a true sell signal. So anyway, that's where we're at with Pay. We're trying to see where the top is. So right now we've got Tron, which is bullish, but I'm waiting for a sell signal there, and we're waiting for Pay to give us a sell signal also. Human IQ. Okay, Humanique is Hold on. Tea time. Mmm. Tiger tea. Tiger tea is awesome. Mm-mm. Okay, so what we have here is Humanique on the one-day chart for Bittrex. It has been flirting with trying to go bullish, but it's not quite there yet. I need some good follow through here. I really do, and it's just not doing it. It's fighting RSI, which is really a bummer. Money's leaving. So volume is looking good, but that's about it. So still not a buy yet. It's right there. It's close. Maybe tomorrow, if we get another green and we're above the 9-day, I say buy it. Okay. XLM. Stellar Lumens. Boy, you know what? We were really loving this coin on the run up. Over here, we called a sell. Get out, get out, get out. It turned out to be a great call. It dipped further, gave us a little bounce. The bounce didn't have enough teeth to actually bite, so it sold off again. And we're still out. We're still out. But this will be a good one. I like this coin. XRP. Of course, we've got to talk about XRP. It's going down. It's been going down since 6th of November. So yeah, not much here. It's gonna try, and hopefully it does rally. I mean, I'm always hoping the best for these coins, but we shall see. It's not a buy yet. Moving on, let's look at ADA Cardano. Cardano looks a lot like actually it looks pretty bad. This hasn't been good since May, really. It's been selling off ever since. So hopefully we're looking at some sort of a bottom down here, and we could get a rally and move higher. If you're looking at cheap prices, you got it. It's here. Cheap prices are here. So I'm not sure what the penny price is, but yeah, ADA is cheap. This is what did I call this? XTZ. Oh boy, I'm losing my mind. For some reason I forgot. Anyway, there's no data here anyway. So what one is that? Oh, Tezos. I'm sorry. Yeah, Tezos. It's trying to get some lift here, and I would watch this one real carefully to see what it does. I don't have much data here, but it's looking really positive right now for pulling off the bottom. So Tezos is at 40 cents because this is a USD price. Very, very cheap. NPX. Pundi is looking bearish. Yeah, it's got a lot of factors not really in its favor right now. Still bearish. Stay out of it. QLC, stay out. It's trying to rally here on Ion. This is on Binance on the 1 day. Trying, but it's not there yet. It's not a buy yet, but it's close. I had to talk about this. Bitcoin Cash SV. Okay. We have been pretty much running real good up here. We had this nice little pop, but we're getting zero follow through, and we need to get some lift here soon so we can kind of continue this trend. I'm concerned if we don't get follow through here soon, it'll just fall out of bed and totally get a sell off here. So yeah, I don't like what I see here. This is pretty spooky, and it's not even Halloween. Okay, I threw this one in here as a joke, but I'm kind of only joking a little bit. So it's a coin I've never purchased or owned, but Doge has been considered a joke coin for a long time. It's kind of like, it's always been the butt of the jokes. But I think my point is that it's an old blockchain that is split from Bitcoin. So this is like a little Bitcoin clone running around, and look how healthy it is. I mean, this coin has a ton of history. It's never very much money. It's always very cheap. But you know what? It's consistent, and I just it is what it is, man. You probably wouldn't get rich off Doge, but it's here and it's a coin and it can be traded. If you look at the percentage gain, so I'm just looking at this from a trader's point of view. If you bought in down here, right? Ooh, let's get this thing back up. If you bought in down here at 37, it basically would have ran all the way up to 10, almost 11. Yeah, 11, and you would have tripled your money easy. So 300% gains on Doge. I don't know, maybe I'm trading the wrong coin. Maybe Doge is the real Bitcoin, right? Oh, mind blown. No one's taking it seriously, but here it is, ready to sneak in and rule the world when no one's looking. Very interesting. Anyway, right now Doge is in the Kumo cloud trying to go bullish. It is bullish above the 9-day. It's bullish above the 50-day, and it's bullish against the 200-day moving average. I love that money's been flowing in, and RSI is about ready to do a reversal and tick up. We could see the top of this Kumo cloud here, folks. So stay tuned on that one. I'm curious what this will do. So yeah, oh, sorry, we're gonna keep this one green. That's it. Awesome. Well, I'm Aaron, and I'm out of here. Thank you guys. Oh, real quick, let's look at the coin market cap before I leave. $110 billion. With XRP right on the tails of Bitcoin. Okay, well, that's all we got, guys. Hope you're having a great day. It's good to see you guys again. Or you see me. It's good to see me again. Anyway, I will talk to you guys later. I'm Aaron, and I'm out. Peace.